The biggest challenge most entrepreneurs have is that they're trying to make all the decisions by themselves. Or worse, they go out there and they read books or they go to seminars and they try to make business decisions based on the few things that they learn at those events. And I could tell you about all the challenges that I've had as an entrepreneur doing that, but I could also tell you on the other side of the coin as a speaker, right? From the speaker standpoint, meaning from the standpoint of the person who's on stage and also having dinner and knowing many of the other people who are speaking from stage as well. Because I know that the great majority of speakers are nowhere near as blunt as I am or willing to go out there and share what's really working in business. And they only share the sunshine and the rainbows, just like when you're reading a book, you hear all the good stuff because that's what sells books. But when you're in business, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. You're going to hit obstacles. Sometimes you're going to hit obstacles every freaking day. So when you're alone in business, most of the time you're trying to make decisions thinking that everything is supposed to be sunshine and rainbows. So you don't have the tools or the capacity to make decisions to get through the obstacles every single day, and you get frustrated and anxious, which creates bad decisions. And the solution to that, the reason why some people in business grow so much faster and more smoothly than most anybody else, is because they surround themselves with a handful of amazingly intelligent people who have already accomplished what they want to accomplish. And I'm not talking about friends that you go out drinking with at seminars or that networking group that you join and you haven't gotten anything yet from them. I'm talking about finding and possibly even paying a mentor who has been there, done that, or putting together a board of advisors of people who have already, again, been there, done that, or maybe even just arranging dinner once a month or once a quarter with a couple of people who are significantly ahead of you in business and willing to share their experience and their relationships and all the personal things that go into building a company so that you could stay sane and happy and fulfilled through it all. More than 12 years ago, I put together a small group of businesses that I could personally help grow. That group's called Club 28 because I could fit, 28 brands into it inside of my schedule. And I dedicate one day every single week away from building my companies just to help those other companies to grow, because everybody needs a mentor, somebody who has been there and understands how to help them break through all the obstacles that pop up that slow everybody else down. Now, I've had mentors in my life since I was a teenager, and there's absolutely no way I could have achieved half of what I've achieved without being able to plug into other people who have achieved what I wanted to achieve along the way. Because it doesn't make a difference what level of business that you're at. There are people who have been where you are and have experiences and relationships that could shave years off of your efforts. So who do you know who's already achieved what you want to achieve? If you want to shortcut your success curve, commit to sending that person an email or a text or call them and take them out to dinner or schedule a time to talk to them on the phone, because the fastest way to grow is not to learn something new, but rather to simply ask the right person for a little bit of help. And then when it's your turn to be a mentor, you get a chance to help others.